Hi all, I'm Pushpa and welcome to my channel Tech Talks with Pushpa. From today, let's begin a complete Java course for beginners. As a part of that, today let's install the JDK and run our first Java program. The command to check which version of a Java present in your PC is java-version. Open your command prompt and type java-version. As of now, we are not having any Java version in this PC. Let's install Java. Open Chrome and type Oracle Java. Now we reach into this site oracle.com. In this, go to this download Java. You see here it says that Java 18 and 17 are available now. So let's take Java 18 and we're installing it in Windows system. Now let's take this x64 installer. The size is 153 MB. Let's wait for some time. The .exe file got downloaded. Let's execute it. Now let's click on next. See, by default, it is choosing this folder C program files Java and JDK 18. We can change the directory. It's preferred to go with this one. Now Java got installed successfully. We can close this. Now let's go to C program files. Now let's go to the Java folder which got created in program files. Copy this path. Let's enter this Java path in the environment variables. Here in the advanced environment variables, here we have a path variable. Let's edit this one and add a Java path over here. Now let's create the new environment variable java underscore home. Let's paste the same path we copied of our program files. Remove bin folder from here. Click on OK. Java got installed successfully. Now let's verify it by opening a command prompt. If you type java-version, see we got Java version 18 got installed in our PC successfully. Now let's create our first Java program. The first ever program we create in every language is Hello World. Here we can see one common problem what people do is like after changing the extensions as well. After changing the extension, here we have to click on yes to change the file name extension. Then your source file type got changed to Java source file. If this is not visible, the type as Java source file still as a text file. Then here just in your PC enable the file name extensions option. Let's write this hello world program. Now let's execute this program. Here we just wrote a class with a main method and we're just printing high coder. Now let's copy this path and open command prompt, cd and cd and the path of this file. We are inside this path. In Java, first we compile our files. Once we compile, from .java files to .class files we create. To compile our code, it's javac space file name. If we have any compile time errors, we get it over here. Now we don't having any compile time errors. If we see in this path, the .class file got generated. In Java, the .class files will get generated, and now we run this .class files. To execute our program, it is Java file name, just a file name without any .java .class extension. See, here the output came high coder, which we wrote in the program. Yes, that's it for the video. Today we installed and created our own Java program. Here we created all the files and we manually compiled that one and ran our code. In the next video, we'll see how to install an IDE and use an IDE to do the programming. When you're using an IDE, all our works get simple, and we'll see that in the next video. If you like the content, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.